Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. This video is an artist vlog, but before we get to the creative part, I want to redecorate my room just a little bit. I want to get rid of this. To be honest, I wanted to remove this decoration right after the Christmas, but I said to myself, okay, let's wait at least till the end of December, and today is January the 2nd. By the way, Happy New Year. Also, I bought a few things and I want to unbox and place them around my room as well. Let's go! Okay, let's start here. All of this. By the way, I gave this to my mom as a present for Christmas like years ago, but I'm the one using it. Haha. Last week, my mom and I went to Nuremberg. It's a city in Germany and they have like a very beautiful Christmas market. And I bought a house. I mean, it's a ginger house, but you gotta start somewhere, right? When you asked for your own house, but you didn't specify what kind. The question is, what should I place here instead? Usually I would use this one and just put there my artworks or some postcards, and then some decorations here, but I don't know. I also have this one that's a new addition to my setting, but the thing is, I don't really like this kind of blue, especially here, so I'm thinking I should put this cloud over there. Let's try this out. Okay, that's not bad. I think I like it here. Let's continue. I also want to put my Polaroid camera here. I used to have it here originally, but then for Christmas I removed it. It's just so cute and smooth, and I like this shade of blue. Fun fact, I wanted to have a Polaroid camera for a while, but first I wasn't a fan of the idea that I always have to buy films. But I don't know, this one looked so pretty and I just added it into my favorite list on Amazon. And then my cousin got the same one but in green for her birthday, and I thought it was a sign for me to get one as well. So I got this one also for my birthday, and now we are matching. To be honest, I want to put it just like this, but I'm so afraid that it will get covered in dust, and I really don't want that, so I'm gonna place it back into this case. This camera is so low that I always have to squat so you can see exercise in here. Yeah, kind of like this, and now I'm gonna add other blue stuff. As you know, I like color blue now. I even have a blue socks now. See, I'm on business. I have Miffy bunny, maybe. I also have this painting, but I don't know, I'm not really a fan of it right now. I also have this little Polaroid, what is it called? Picture? Yes. On camera, it doesn't look as bad as it looks here. Oh, wait, let me light this up for you. I also can regulate the brightness. That's really cool. Okay, that's clean and minimalistic, and it's in blue. So, oh wait, let me turn it off so we can see the vision. Do we see the vision? Okay, I can see the vision. The thing is, I'm thinking about taking the bunny with me to the dorm. I had it in my dorm with me anyways, but I brought it here for the holidays. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I'll leave it like this. And now, let's unbox the things I bought a couple of days ago. Okay, it is kind of lovely. Okay, the first item is the light box. I saw it a couple of months ago, and I wanted it actually for a while now. So once I saw it, I was like, okay, I will come back and buy it. It's not too big, so maybe I just place it on my table. We'll see. Now, first of all, I need to unscrew it. Oh, wait. Okay, I successfully put the batteries into this one, and it has two modes. Just the plain white one, and then this, and it kind of changes the colors. You can see it. And now for what I'm gonna write here. Wait and see. Are you ready for this? Wait. Take two. Are you ready for this? You know how at the end of every video I say create and enjoy? And now we have a whole sign with this sentence. Oh, I love it. Boom. Alright, the next item is a digital clock. I have to admit it is rather an impulsive purchase, but I don't know. I know that I need a clock, at least in my dorm, so I'm thinking maybe I will take it with me to the dorm. But first, let's arrange it. I need to unscrew this one either. I'm too lazy to read it, so... Ooh, it has a face on it. Funny, okay. Maybe I don't need an instruction. Okay, I'm done setting on the clock. Sadly, it's not all the time on display. You have to press this button and it makes mildly annoying sound. But it's okay, I think I might get used to it. See, you have to press it. Oh, the sound is so disgusting. But it has a cute face on it. I don't know. We'll see. Last but not least, I have a new fairy light and it has this light bulb shape. So let's unbox it. Oh, it smells like plastic. Oh, dang. Okay, let's install the batteries. Hana. Tool. Set. Oh, we have snow. And I have new fairy lights. But it smells, oh, disgusting. Maybe I should leave it on the balcony first and then maybe I actually leave it outdoors. And I don't know where to put it in my room anyways. Let it snow. Let it snow. Wait. This is winter in Germany, by the way. This is my current desk setup. And let me make a quick desk tour for you. So obviously we have a tablet here. I use it for studying and for drawing. Tablet on a tablet stand. Oh my goodness, this screen is so dirty, but anyways. I also have a phone stand. Here are my notebooks. I have my current sketchbook, some random notebooks. This is my journal. This is my gratitude journal. Also check out this bookmark I made, by the way. And this teeny tiny little notebook my friend brought me from Korea, and it's blue and I like blue, so it's perfect. Then our new edition, hello, I noticed it also matches my mouse. They are both purple. Obviously I have my laptop, then this new edition, ta-da! Then the moon, I just use it as a stand for my headphones. And then this beauty here. Most of the pictures are my own drawings, and I know that some people like to put drawings of other artists that inspire them, obviously inspiration and motivation, but I like to put my own drawings that I'm especially proud of, because you know, when I see them, I think to myself, if I made this, then I can make something much better. And you know, when I'm actually at work, I usually put my little tray here with some essentials and a water bottle. Actually, I plan to draw on canvas with acrylics, but to be honest, I don't really want to do it right now. what I want to do instead is a new header for my YouTube channel. So let's do this, I think. Actually, before we continue, here is me from the future. Hi. Later that day, I rearranged everything again, and now I'm gonna show you how it looks now. Starting off with my working area, now to the area that had most of the changes. Here, this one. Yeah, I know it looks completely different from what it looked before. And I know my favorite color right now is blue, but it's not my entire personality, and I like very much how this area looks right now. And let's not forget the shelf. Now it has more forest fantasy kinda mood, and I like it a lot. Okay, now let's get back to the video. So this is my current header, and I want to place some of my artworks here. So let's get started. Actually, I want a new profile picture as well, but I don't have any new drawings of me or any other new drawings that I would like to put as a profile picture. And I'm not in the mood to paint anything new right now as well. So maybe next time. Another thing that I want to work on is a page in my junk journal. I started this page in October, if not September, and I still didn't finish it, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And this page is dedicated to my friend and me, and this is the friend that was a prototype for my character in the webtoon Nightmare Hunters. That's a webtoon I made, and it's a complete one. So feel free to read it if you haven't yet. It's super funny and I hope you enjoy it. This is the set page. As you can see, there's a lot of empty spaces. And I'm probably gonna fill this space with lyrics because when we started being friends, we listened to the same music. Actually, she introduced me to new groups, and back then I was into rock. So my friend told me about 1000 Foot Crush. And I really liked that group, and I started to listen to it as well. And it was so cool during archery lessons that we took. And there we were allowed to play our own music, so we would play this music. Yeah. It's already super dark and I have so many lights here and they're just shining right into my eyes, so I barely can see a thing. But anyways, this is the result. I also added a couple of ink drops, you know, and I am so happy that I finally finished it. Yes. And final thing for today, I want to do a little bit of digital drawing. I think I mentioned it somewhere, sometime, but like a year and a half ago, I bought an art course from Derek, and I still haven't completed. So I'm back to it now. I bought it because it offered exactly what I wanted to learn, mostly backgrounds, and Derek shows really nice and easy to follow workflow. For example, yesterday I painted this. I think it's beautiful. I'm really proud of this piece, and I just wanna do another lesson today.
That's also the fun part, right? You couldn't always be like 100% sure. But if your fundamentals are strong, even if this is a deep darker brown, actually, it's good to any soft round brush that you want. So now let's experiment a bit with the colors. So yeah, and let's move on to the next one.
Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you had a great time here with me. Feel free to join me here. Thank you so much for watching. Create and enjoy. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!